in this video, I want to teach you how you can make money on this platform called Expert Option, even as a beginner. Firstly, all you need to do is go to the description or in the comment section of this video and use the link to download this application. Okay, you can check the Play Store, use that link. Once you get registered, you will be given a $10,000 in your demo account. Now, the essence of this demo account is for you to learn and practice things, okay, and be conversant with this platform. So as you can see right here, I have increased this account to 12,658.16 cents. Okay, so that is it. I have a WhatsApp channel where I drop free signals. Okay, I give updates and also teach you on a daily basis. Okay, and I also do live trading on TikTok. You can as well join my live stream. Okay, you can check the link in the description now as well, so you can get started. Now, as someone who is yet to know how it works, come to this place right now. You're gonna see the different pairs of this platform right here. Okay, this is the different pairs. Okay, you have Euro, USDT, Bitcoin, Smartly, Ethereum. Okay, there are so many of them, so it depends on you, the one you really want to trade on. And for me, I trade on the one that has the highest percentage, which is this. Okay, Euro, USD. Okay, that's the one I normally trade on because the percentage is high. All right, so you can actually choose the one you really want. Okay, so right here now, I normally place my trade on 30 minutes duration. Okay, 30 minutes here. Okay, so right here you can choose the amount you really want to get started with, but for me, I will advise you, if you want to start, you can use $10, $1. Okay, as a beginner. All right, as a beginner you can choose the one you want, but I will advise you to use a little amount since you are yet to practice this, since you are yet to know how it works. Okay, so that will help you get a better prediction. Okay, so there are so many ways you can get a better prediction. Like here right now, you can choose right here now, there are settings that are involved right here. So these settings right now, you can put, or you can use candlestick. This is how candlestick looks like. Okay, you see how it looks like. So you can choose lines. This is how lines looks like. You can choose areas. This is how area looks like. Okay, all right, so you can choose bars. This is how it looks like, but I'm using lines. Okay, this is the one I'm using right here. So now the next thing you want to do is for you can add people here. You see those that are trading like you, people that are trading as well are also here. So right now you can choose to remove them, they are gone right now. So the next thing, I'm going to place a trade for us to see how this thing works. Okay, I'm going to place a trade. Just watch how it's being done. Okay, when did I change this thing? Let me change it to my test. I beg. To to my 30 minutes. I don't even know when. 30 seconds, sorry. I don't even know when this changed everything for me. So this is the time frame I normally use. Okay, is the time frame I use in this trading. So let's watch and see how this trading will go. So if this is your first time, please, of coming across my video on YouTube channel, kindly subscribe to this channel, like this video, share with your friends and family, okay? And do not miss to hit the notification bell right now. Do not miss to hit the notification bell so that whenever I drop any video you get notified, okay? Alright, we'll place a trade right now, and this strategy is very good. These are one of the strategies I use in covering of any loss I've made before now. Okay. This is the strategy I normally use. Okay, as you can see, it has gone to 13,000. Alright, it has gone to 13,000. So this is the way I trade in this very place. So we're going to place more trade. Okay, just watch me and see. We're going to place more trade, and previously these are the trades I've made before now. Okay, this one is just the one I did now. This is the one I done this morning around 5:54 a.m. this morning. Okay, these are the trades I just took this morning. As you can see, today's date. Okay, today's date is 20th of March. Okay, these are the trades I took this morning. You can count them. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So these ones are the ones I did this morning. This one right here is the one I started right now, but I made 3 losses. 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, as you can see. So let's go back to our trading. Don't panic, okay? Don't be afraid. Alright, you're going to see the outcome of this trading this morning. You're going to see the outcome. Just sit back and watch, relax. Guys, we are winning. Can you see that? We are winning. Can you see that? We are winning it. So don't panic, just watch. As you can see, can you see? Can you see? So that's the strategy I normally use. Okay, it helps you cover up faster. It helps you, and mind you that this trading of a thing is not 100% that you are going to win everything. But when you trade like almost 10 times and you win like 8, is a win for you, bro. Is a win for you. Okay. This video is kind of getting too long and I don't want it to get too long. Okay, so I have to trim it a bit. So this is the last strategy, this is the last trading we are going to take, and it is okay. I trimmed this video a bit because it was too long. So this is the strategy I normally use in covering every losses I've made before now. Okay, doubling it at a time. Okay, so guys, stick to the end of this video. All right. So take a look at our balance right here. It's now 15,962.16 cents. Okay, so we have doubled this. All right, so kindly use the link on my description to register and get started. So please do not forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, share with your friends and family. Okay, then see you in my next video. I would like you to give me any video you want me to make for you on the comment section. Bye.